Howdy there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your little RV specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation, family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, my sisters call me Charlie, and my 23 nieces and nephews call me Lukey Poo. But you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see pricing and more information on this unit. Once this unit is unavailable, that link will be removed. Kuhn Truck and RV is proud to offer brand new Roadtrek Class B camper vans with unbeatable pricing and old school family-owned service. Give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a 2023 Roadtrek Zion Slumber. We will beat or match anyone's pricing on brand new current model year Roadtreks. Visit truckandrv.com for more information on how to custom order your new Roadtrek today.
Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Zion Slumber. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan of this brand new Roadtrek. Here at Coon Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. We're going to go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. We are going to credit up to 2 economy class flights from the purchase price of your brand new Roadtrek. We'll pick you up at the airport, bring you out here to small town Sherwood, Ohio. We're going to set you up with 2 nights of free camping. You don't necessarily have to take those if you don't like, but if you are looking to get more comfortable with your new unit and you want to stay in our area, we're going to help you do that and make sure you are ready to hit the road. Nice, easily accessible entry here. Got this screen you can drop down and have closed with the door open or closed. There's also a privacy screen here you can use. We'll check that out a little bit later on in the outside portion of the tour. Got our Firefly system here. Just going to touch on this briefly. We do have a video going through the full functionality of this. We've got our main center here where you can control your lights, your climate, your levels test, your coach battery disconnects, your power sofa in the rear, your awning, all that kind of stuff is controlled through here. Got some selectors. You can go through the menus and get more details. Check that video out. I'll put a link in the description and on the screen here. You can turn the power step on and off. It's outside of this door. If you don't want that to open and close every time you open and close this door, this is a disconnect that's going to disconnect the AGM battery that powers this Firefly system. So this is a Slumber model, which has this pop top up here. Got a skylight overhead. Got this nice looking light here. You can dim this. So lots of room up top. I'm going to drop some measurements on the screen here of what the bed is. Got a little command center here. We're going to control the lights and got some plug-ins while you're sleeping up here. So this is going to be the only Roadtrek you can get that's going to sleep 5. 2 up top, 2 in the rear, and up front if you get the optional front mattress, you can sleep 1 across the driver and passenger seat. Just going to show you a little bit about how well built these Roadtreks are. You can literally shake this coach here by this counter flip out. I'm going to flip that out to get you some more counter space. Got AC power, USB in the middle, and a DC plug-in. Got hard surface countertops. Got a stainless sink, nice tall faucet. Got an induction cooktop. That's an option on this. You can get a standard propane cooktop. Got a stainless backsplash. It's going to make it easier to keep clean if you're cooking in here. Got our microwave. All of the cabinets are CNC machined. If you can see how perfect all these edges are, it's all done by a machine. Got AC power there on the front of the kitchen cabinet. Moving around now to the driver's side. This is the white sand interior. The upholstery is taupe colored. This is what would be referred to as a wet bath. Essentially, everything's going to happen inside of this room. You got a curtain you can pull around to help contain the water when you're taking a shower. Got our stool here. The drain is in the floor over here. So if you're showering, all the water is going to drain here into the basin. Not much of a step up and in, so very easy to use this bathroom. Got a sink here. Nice mirror for when you're getting ready. You can close these doors like this from the inside to give you more elbow room. Also got 2 nice mirrors here. This is the slide out pantry. Lots of people like this. Gives you a lot of room here. You'll take some cans of Campbell's Chunky, whatever you like there with you. Really big drawer here. They're calling this a pots and pans drawer. Could be used for anything. This is a 12-volt DC compressor-driven refrigerator freezer. This is a low voltage. So you're gonna get lots of performance out of this. Got the actual freezer up top. Much preferred by pretty much everyone. So you're able to take more than just pizza rolls. Got a closet here to hang your goodies. AC power there that the microwave's plugged into. That's our table leg. Got some other goodies that come with the coach, including those pillows there. This is our solar charge controller coming in. We got 200 watts of solar on the roof, two 300 amp lithium batteries. So 600 amps of lithium power here on this Roadtrek Zion Slumber. Nice big storage over top. All of these cabinets are hung with metal cabinet hangers and screws. Gotta make sure everything's fastened very well and secure here in these new Roadtreks. Got a cabinet here with AC power, a TV connection, and DC power. That's your TV remote. TV's on a swivel, can swivel around to face the front. Both of the front seats do swivel. However, you're gonna get better position with the passenger seat due to the steering wheel and the cabinet behind the driver's seat. Here in the rear, we got automotive safety glass throughout. This is higher quality glass, has the tint actually in it. Got a window you can open over here and over here. There is a really neat screen system in here. Can't really do it holding the camera and everything, but I'll drop some pictures of that here when we go ahead and do our bed pictures in just a moment. So we got a power sofa in the rear. This is the optional forward-facing sofa. You're just gonna push a button on the Firefly to run this up and down. Got 3 seat belts in the back, 2 up front, so a total of 5 belts in this unit. These little armrest cushions move. These cushions are gonna make up the big bed. So essentially you can sleep 2 in twin bed formation. A lot of people like that. You can get in and out of bed without crawling over one another. Or there's a board underneath this cushion that will fill in this gap, and you'll be able to drop the bigger cushions in here to make up a big bed. I'm gonna go ahead and drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like made up and get some measurements. The rear twin beds measure approximately 75 inches north-south or front to back and 27 inches east-west or side to side. The big bed measures approximately 75 inches north-south and 72.5 inches east-west from wall to wall. The sofa base in the upright position measures 18 inches north-south and 72.5 inches east-west from wall to wall. The slumber bed up top measures approximately 78 inches north-south and 50 inches east-west. This photo is from a different Roadtrek that is already sold, but there's an optional front mattress that measures approximately 21 inches north-south and 61 inches east-west. Additional storage is located near the floor on the driver's side, along with the inverter and the water heater, and a large storage compartment beneath the front section of the rear sofa on the passenger side. We are sitting in the back of this Roadtrek Zion Slumber. Why was the man driving in his swimsuit? He was in a carpool. A couple things about the Roadtrek quality here before we continue on through the coach. Beneath this vinyl surface flooring here, which is going to make it easier to keep clean, we've got plywood subfloor that has docking pockets for all of the modules of cabinets that are CNC machined outside of the camper van, then brought in. So basically all of this stuff docks into the floor. That's going to make all this cabinetry rock solid. In addition to that, we've got Wieland wiring harnesses throughout with positive latching connections. Essentially what that means is all of the wiring harnesses are pre-manufactured and installed into the cabinetry and then put in the coach. It's going to make them more consistent and professionally done, so that way when these are serviced, you know exactly where everything is. It's where it should be. We've got AC, DC, and USB power station here. I love the setup of these power stations. Got some speakers here in the rear. Got another AC, DC, USB power station here. This is a switch here for the power sofa in the rear if you don't want to do that through the Firefly. These lights click on and off if you push on them. That way you can do that here in the rear if you're sleeping. Another AC, DC, and USB power station. TV swivels out to face the front. Got the front seat swiveled here so you can see what that looks like. We've got our bunk ladder here. This folds up and has a bag to store it in. Another thing about the Roadtrek quality, all of the plumbing in this unit that goes through chassis metal goes through rubber grommets. That's going to prevent vibration from wearing a hole in your plumbing over time. All of this is gone over in the Roadtrek Why Buy book. I'm going to put a link to that in the description. You can check that out. That's got a ton of information in it. Another quick look up here at the bunk. What makes this a slumber? I'm going to pull this down. Got some buckles as you're gonna buckle this in. I'm gonna put a demo for that here at the end of this video. So again, you can take this bunk ladder in and out when you don't want to use it. Storage up top. All in all, these brand new Roadtreks are a fantastic option if you're looking for a Class B motorhome. If you're looking for something with more sleeping capacity, check out the Slumber version. Quality throughout, very richly appointed. Got the CNC machined cabinetry, the wheel and wiring harnesses, plumbing going through the rubber grommets, metal cabinet hangers, lots and lots of stuff. Check out the Why Buy book. That's going to go through a lot of that and show you what is so special about these brand new Roadtreks. Check these out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. Here in the cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. Got lots of connectivity options here for your phone. Get 2 years of included roadside assistance here when you get your brand new Roadtrek. Got some different charging options here from USB, USB-C, and a standard DC port. Got a little glove box down here, storage spot here and up in the dash. Got vinyl flooring up front. It's going to make it easier to keep clean. We do have the new underhood generator on these. So this is an underhood generator unit. It's going to produce 280 amp hours of electricity. That is nicer because it's quieter, so you can run this engine. This is a low idle engine, and nobody's really going to know that you have your generator running. So that's going to charge your coach batteries and top you up on that. We've also got a 3,000 watt inverter. It's going to invert that DC power to AC, so you can run all of your different goodies in here. So essentially, if you've got this engine running, you can run your air conditioner and everything in the back indefinitely. We've also got 200 watts of solar on the roof that are also going to charge up the 600 amps of lithium power.
Our head tech and RV brother-in-law Greg stepped in to show us how easy it is to raise and lower the Slumber top. Greg has a fun sense of humor and wanted me to play some old-timey circus music for this part. While we're here, I wanted to take a moment to say thanks to our awesome brother-in-law Greg for everything he does in our shop. There's no way we would be able to do everything we do here at Coon Truck and RV without you, Greg. We really, really appreciate you.
No, not circus music. There you go. That's it.
Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this brand new 2023 Roadtrek Zion Slumber. This RV measures 20 feet 9 inches bumper to bumper with a 13-foot power awning. These Roadtreks are built on Ram ProMaster 3500 HD RV-ready chassis. This has a 3.6-liter V6 engine. This has the silver accents on the granite metallic exterior. The Slumber model means we've got the pop top up top here. Got these Thule steps that come in and out when you open and close the doors here. Those have a nice wide tread. They're good for kids, pets, accessibility of all sorts. We got this nice screen here that you can drop down. You can close the door with this deployed. There's also a privacy screen that you can drop down in the same fashion. We've got a magnetic enclosure here, so you can just open this and close this with the magnet. Gonna make it easy to get in and out so that you're actually able to use that screen. Got our propane tank. This is mounted to the unit, so you'll have to drive it somewhere to have it filled. The yellow cap thing you see there on the left is an extension for that, so you can hook up a grill tank or something of the sort if you'd like to do that at your campsite. So you're gonna push a button here, power awning is gonna run out. You can run these legs over to the camper, or you can run them directly to the ground. Put a tent stake here. I prefer this, that way nobody can accidentally walk through here while they're texting or something like that and break your awning leg or scratch up the side of your nice looking RV. Got our air conditioner up top. Got our backup camera system here. This is a really nice backup camera in it. You're gonna get really good view of what's behind you. Got our tow package here. Shore power connection. This is a 30 amp service. Coax in. Got our city water over here. Got storage beneath the sofa in the rear. Got a privacy shade for the front windows. 3 seat belts on the rear. Little storage pocket there. This is the table. Got the same style curtain that you can drop down here that's got a screen or a privacy curtain. You can open and close the rear door with that deployed as well. Got 200 watts of solar up top on the Slumber series. Got the 600 amps of lithium power. Gonna provide lots of ability for off-grid camping in these. We've got our outside shower. This is nice for kids, pets, going to the beach, going on a hike. Keep the mess out of the RV. Got the back of the Truma AquaGo water heater, furnace exhaust. Got a unique system here with a macerator pump and a gravity drain. So in case somebody was to drop a G.I. Joe down the toilet and clog up your macerator, you'd still be able to use your traditional gravity drain. You're gonna do black first and the gray like you normally would. We've got another hose inside of here for the macerator. It's a 9-foot heavy duty hose. To activate that macerator, I'm going to open the door here and push this red button. Here at Kuhn Trucking RV, we have added an additional chassis battery disconnect. This is going to disconnect the chassis battery up here. That's going to run your goodies up in the front like your normal car does. That's going to be for storage. Going to make it easier for you to turn that on and off whenever you need to do so. Got a fill for the onboard fresh water tank. This is 37 gallons. That's the largest capacity in any Class B. Got our fuel fill. Gonna check out the pop top here a little bit more. So this is what makes this a Slumber model. This is Roadtrek's own design. So this is their own proprietary pop top here. Very good quality. These are screens that you can open from the inside if you'd like to get airflow. This is a great setup here. If you're looking to take some extra people along with you, you can get the optional front mattress that's gonna span across the seats up here and sleep 5 in this. So 2 up top, 2 in the rear, and 1 up front. Very unique setup for a Roadtrek for a camper van in general. Check this Roadtrek Zion Slumber out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Trucking RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers.
My wife and I recently welcomed our first child, and I thought it was only fitting for her to have her own pointer and for me, Dad, to break it in for her. We love you, Evelyn Opal Kuhn. We can't wait for your first official tour someday. Subscribe to our channel for Evie's first RV adventure coming soon.